Hey beauties! Welcome back to Lumixy Beauty. Today's video is all about glowing up without spending too much because, let's be real, not everyone wants to spend $50 on one skincare product. So, I've picked 8 skincare products under $10 that I personally tried, loved, and honestly, they work. You'll find all the links below in the description if you want to check them out. Let's start strong, the Foracom Pore Cleansing Device. This one is honestly a lifesaver for anyone struggling with blackheads, clogged pores, or dull skin. It comes with 5 different probes, each for a different skin concern. I use it once or twice a week, and it literally sucks out all the gunk from your pores. My skin feels so smooth afterward, and it helps my serums absorb better. If you want deep cleansing at home, this device is 100% worth it. You can find it through the link below. Next, the Painless Hair Remover, my favorite for smooth, makeup-ready skin. If you've ever had those tiny facial hairs that make foundation look uneven, this fixes that. It's gentle, quick, and completely pain-free. You can even use it before events or makeup days. Honestly, every girl should have this tool. It's a total game changer. Now, let's talk glow. The Super 20% Vitamin C Serum is such a powerful little bottle. It hydrates, brightens, and smooths your skin while reducing acne marks and dullness. It also has hyaluronic acid, retinol, and amino acids, basically everything your skin loves. Use it day and night, just 2 drops are enough. It's vegan, non-irritating, and gives that healthy glass skin glow. If your skin feels oily or tired, this green tea volcanic mud mask will save it. It deep cleans pores, removes dirt, and gives your skin that fresh, matte look. It smells so refreshing. I love using it once a week. It's like a mini spa at home. For under $10, this is one of the best detox masks I've tried. Now, this one's a hidden gem. The Rice Water Hydrating Tinted Moisturizer gives a natural glow with light coverage. Perfect for everyday wear, especially if you don't like heavy foundation. It's enriched with rice extract, hydroxy acids, and willow bark, so it also treats your skin while giving you that soft, clean look. And yes, it works for both face and body. Totally obsessed. Next is a must-have sunscreen. This lightweight non-sticky protective cream is waterproof, sweatproof, and gives your skin a soft, matte finish. No white cast, no stickiness, just smooth protection. Perfect for daily use and especially good under makeup. I love how quick it blends, like your skin but better. Let's move to lips. This moisturizing and lightening lip gloss is a total glow-up essential. It hydrates, softens, and gives that natural glossy shine. I use it day and night, even as a lip primer before lipstick. It feels light, not sticky, and keeps your lips pink and plump. And finally, to complete the glow-up fragrance. The Lovestory women's perfume smells so elegant and romantic. It has a soft, oriental floral scent that lasts 6 to 8 hours. The heart-shaped bottle looks absolutely stunning on your vanity. And yes, it's perfect for daily wear or even date nights. So girls, these were my top 8 glow-up and skincare finds under $10. They're affordable, effective, and super cute. Honestly, I loved every one of them. You can check all the product links in the description box below. I've added everything there. If you grab anything using my links, it helps support my channel, so thank you so much for your love. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and comment your favorite product below. And remember, real glow up is not about perfection, it's about self-care and confidence. See you next time. Bye-bye.